I am doing this pretty fall look today. It is very browny, very neutral. I love it. Got a couple products recently I wanted to try out, so I figured I would use it for this video. I got some Rare Beauty products. I got the blush, and I also have a liner. And I didn't really use the liner today. I'm going to use it at a different time, but I really like the blush. I got the Sunflower Colourpop new palette. It's called Lil Ray of Sunshine. So if you want to see how I got the look, stay tuned. Okay, excited to do this today because fall is my favorite season. I love all of the fall makeup, pumpkin, everything. I'm actually going apple picking today, so checking that off the list of festivities for the season. I have some it's plumping lip gloss on, so that's why my mouth is all red, because it's a little bit burning right now. But I'm excited to test out some new makeup today, and let's just get into it. I'm breaking out right now for some reason a little bit, so I did prep my skin, moisturized, already put my primer on. I use what I normally use. If you've seen my videos, it's a green primer. I'll insert a picture. It's by Smashbox and it's running out and it's dirty, so I'll just stick that picture up there, but it really helps reduce any redness in the face. Starting off with my favorite foundation right now is the Estee Lauder Futurist Hydra Rescue Moisturizing Makeup in shade Desert Beige. I just realized I put my sponge up here. I was like, what is that extra orange thing doing in my frame? I'm gonna stick this headband. I found it's brown, it matches. It looks like fall, and it also looks like something that Blair Waldorf from Gossip Girl would wear. Okay, this foundation is really nice. My skin really likes this foundation. I don't use it every day because it is a little bit thicker, so if you use it, if you use it like every day, it may clog your pores just because it's a little bit heavier. But it's nice. It has a natural finish. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the Stay Naked Correcting Concealer. I'm in shade 20 NN. I did not sleep much last night, so I am looking tired. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna set my face with the Milk Makeup Translucent Light. It's so good. I'm just gonna bake my under eyes. I know I look a little ridiculous. I am going to go in with another product I've been using a ton over the past couple months, and it is a bronzer by Fenty Beauty. It is the Sun Stalker bronzer in the shade Private Island. And I'm just gonna take an angled brush and use it almost as contour. And I know it's technically like a dry product. You know, a lot of people say you want to stick with all liquid products. If you're using like liquid foundation, you want to use liquid blush, liquid bronzer. What am I saying? But I feel like this is like, it is a powder, but it's so creamy at the same time that it really blends in super well. I'm gonna do a little tiny nose contour. And I'm just gonna put a little bit more powder on the rest of my face just to set my makeup. And I like to use a brush for this part just so it applies lighter. It really does blur your pores, so I like to kind of stick to the T-zone area. Next product I'm excited to try and talk about is a Rare Beauty product by Selena Gomez. I've never really been like a huge Selena Gomez fan. I've never had anything against her or anything, but I'm excited to try it because of all the hype. So I just want to see if I like it, if it's worth it. The prices aren't bad compared to other popular brands. So this is the Rare Beauty blush. It is in the shade Bliss. and it's a liquid blush. So I've heard you really just need like a tiny amount, so I'm just gonna try a little bit. And you open it by twisting right here. I'm literally just gonna start off with like that much because I'm afraid to put too much on. Do you see it? It's very natural. I don't really see it and I'm afraid to put more on, but I guess I'll do one more dot. So I'm just patting this in, patting it in, patting it in. For me, what worked with my skin tone and everything, oh, I like it. Oh my God, I really like it. I don't know if you can see, this camera is so bright, but oh my gosh, I really like it. It's so natural. You can see it's there, but barely. It looks really natural and it blends in really well with the bronzer. I didn't know if I would like this. I didn't really at first just because I couldn't see it, but instead of putting 2 dots on, I would suggest if you're maybe you're using similar products as me or your skin tone is similar to mine, I would put 1 layer on, blend it in, and then put the other layer on after that. But if you just keep using the flat side of a sponge and just keep blending it in, it looks so good. It melts into your skin. I really like this. Okay, so that's definitely a keeper. It's not as easy as a powder blush to put on. It just takes an extra minute to put on, but I really like it. Okay, next I'm gonna use my usual, I'm gonna do this off camera. I use the Goof Proof Brow Pencil to do my brows, so I'll be right back. I'm actually gonna draw in some faux freckles. I've done this before, and I think it's really cute. I just take my brow products and just draw them. I have a couple freckles already, but the makeup kind of hides them, so I'm just gonna draw over them. Really excited to be using the palette that I'm using today because I love sunflowers. They're my favorite flower, and I think the colors are really pretty. I tested it out already, so I kind of know and have an idea of what look I'm going for. And I also like to put on my eyeliner first. It's the Maybelline Define-a line. I just put the eyeliner at the bottom because it cleans up this line underneath. So now I'm gonna go in with the palette, which I'm very excited for. It's really pretty and faded. I really love this type of palette look and design. It's called Lil Ray of Sunshine, and it's a pressed powder palette by Colourpop. It has all the really pretty summer into fall tones in here, and they're all matte as well. It's one of the only palettes that I know of that doesn't have any glitters or shimmers. But I'm going for more of an autumn look today. So these, something I've noticed by just swatching them already is these colors do come out lighter. A lot of them, they're more yellow toned than what they look like in the palette. So first I'm gonna take Bliss out, this color right here, and you'll see what I mean. Hopefully on camera it shows, but it's just a little bit like different of a shade. Actually, before I do that, I do want to put on this Pro Primer. It's just an eye primer to prime my lids. Just my finger, and I'll blend it in. I'm just going to use this as a contour to get started, just as a base. And I'm gonna stick that underneath my eyes as well. And I'm gonna get it pretty close to the lash line. Next, I'm gonna go in with this crazy color. It's the color Chillin' right here. The color Chillin' right here. And I'm gonna pack this on my lid. And I'm gonna do this slowly so I don't ruin my foundation. Okay, and I'm not picking up any more product on my brush. I'm just bringing it out more just to extend the color. What I'm doing is I'm sticking it in the crease and slightly above to blend it out. I'm gonna take a clean brush and just blend it out even more. Since I want this to be more wearable, I'm not gonna go in with a ton of layers of this color. I just kind of want to smoke it out. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in that color again, and I'm actually gonna use a thinner brush because I want it to be darker, but just like on the edge. There will be a little bit of fallout. I'm putting this super close to my, under my eyes, to my liner. Okay, last color I want to use is this color right here. It's called Sun Giant. And I'm gonna put that on the crease to help blend it out and make it a little bit more yellow up here. But I like it because it gives it a nice warm contrast. I just realized that you have to flip. So the color name for this color is not right on the back, it's on the opposite side. So there you go. Wrong color name. This is called Sun's Out right here. It's a really light tan and has kind of a yellow undertone. So I'm gonna put that in the corner of my eye to see if it does anything, which I don't really think it will. Yeah, so just to let you know, this is more of like a base color. I'm actually gonna run in with highlight. Almost forgot about that. I am not huge on highlight. I like it, but I don't really use a lot of it. I'm gonna use the Colourpop Light Sticks in the shade Earth. And it's a pretty champagne purpley pink color. And I'm just gonna blend that in with my finger. And I'm just gonna put it on the high points of my cheek. Get a little bit of highlight in there. Okay, I'm going to put mascara on and lashes, and I'll be right back. They are on, and I feel like that took way longer than needed. So now we're gonna move on to lips. Okay, so first I'm gonna use lip liner. I recently picked this up from Ulta. It is the Ulta Beauty Automatic Lip Liner in the shade Spice. And I feel like a perfect color for fall. It's very brown. It's like a brownie mauve color. And from the lip gloss I had on earlier, I'm just gonna wipe that off. Okay, and then over that, I'm going to take this color. I really like this as well. I just picked this up. It is one of the L'Oreal Color Riche lipsticks. It's in the shade He Thinks He's Matte-cho. It's so cute. Really cute packaging, and another perfect nudie fall color. Okay, but that is the finished look. I love how this turned out. I love the brown and the nudes in this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was really easy, really nice products I've used today. If you want to see more of this, I am going to be doing a number of other makeup videos for fall. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys are able to go out and enjoy some of this fall weather. Being safe, of course. But anyways, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
I know it's technically a product. What am I saying?